Here f x y z is given to be g x square plus y square minus 2z square. So let us find the derivative of f with respect to x first. This fx means del f by del x. So differentiation will be g dash x square plus y square minus 2z square, and thereafter differentiation of this with respect to x will be 2x, because these are constant for x, so 2x. Now del f by del y this time. Similarly, that is fy g dash x square y square minus 2z square, differentiation of this, and thereafter differentiation of inside expression with respect to y, so this will be 2y. Now we have found the first derivative of both. Now we take fx x, that is we have to again differentiate this expression with respect to x, so this will be g double dash x square plus y square minus 2z square into one more 2x, there is already 2x, then one more, that is 4x square, plus this time we have to give plus sign, because at a time we differentiate one and keep other constant, and after plus sign keep the first as constant, this as constant, and differentiate the second, means this, and differentiation of 2x with respect to x will be 2. In the same way here fyy is del square f by del y square, so this will be according to this g double dash x square plus y square minus 2z square, this time here you see 4x square, here will be 4y square, plus g dash x square plus y square minus 2z square into 2. Now we have to differentiate with respect to z as well, so fz differentiation with respect to z will be this thing, that is g dash x square plus y square minus 2z square, and differentiation of inside expression with respect to z will be minus 4z. Now we again differentiate, because here you see second order derivative with respect to z, so we again differentiate this one with respect to z, and this will be g double dash x square plus y square minus 2z square into minus 4z, plus after plus sign we keep this constant, so this will be the same as here, x square plus y square minus 2z square, and here you see differentiation of this with respect to z give us a coefficient here minus 4z, so if you differentiate second time, then there will be one more minus 4z, that is here will be minus 4z to the power 2. Now here we have keep this expression as constant, so differentiation of this will be minus 4. Now one can see that if one adds these three, that is fx plus fyy plus fzz, then these two will be cancelled with this, and it remains the first term in all. So here you see, here g double dash is same in all, g double dash x square plus y square minus 2z square, this is In all you see here, here, also here, and the coefficient 4x square. In all you see 4, 4, here will be 16, so we can take 4 common, so here is 4. Now it remains here x square, here y square, and we have taken 1 4, so here will be 16 z square, but we have taken 1 4, so here will be 4 z square, so 4 z square. And you see that this is in option B, so B is our correct option.